So we're doing some Halloween preparation already. What are you gonna be? You remember? A car driver, NASCAR driver. So we wanted to incorporate his wheelchair this year into his costume. And so that was the plan all along, but then our friend Tessa Cole came up with an idea for a fundraiser and asked to see if possibly we had Reed's Halloween costume done early so she could take some pictures of him in his costume prior to the fundraiser so she could use that for promotional things for the event. So we have started making Reed's Halloween costume in August 1st actually. But here's the beginning phases of it. You know us, we love cardboard. So here's Reed's start of his car. Looks pretty good. Needs some shape, but it's a good start. 2 halves of the car cut out. Now for paint and details, and then construction. So we got Reed's car kind of roughly mocked up. Now we need to mock up the front. So I'm doing that right now. Might have to take a little bit off the top of the car, but we're not sure yet. Anyways, so that's what we're working on. Reed's playing. Daddy's washing the house. Get it! Get it, kid!
You hot, buddy? You hot? No.
So we're making progress on car construction. We painted the back side of the car black. Now we're shaping the front end a little bit. Need Jesse's help a little bit on this to make the nose. And I ran out of black spray paint, so Papa's bringing more spray paint over. But it's coming. We're gonna have a car here before we know it. Progress made on the car today. You like it, Reed? Well, I now have a new appreciation for people that paint cars crazy, stripy things. Hey, what are you doing? I just masked up the whole car. We're ready to do a first coat of paint. This guy is hard at work in here. Being all sexy.
I smell sexy?
Being all sexy.
Oh, I don't think I smell sexy.
You look sexy.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah. So the next step in this painting project is to get the stripe painted green. So we're doing the reverse of what we did before. Then I taped the stripe and then I'm covering the car with paper so that that side's done, this side's not. So the blue stays blue, obviously. So once you get that done, get the green stripe on, get the wheels painted black. And then here is all the logos we'll be putting on it. And then I think we'll be kind of close to done. We gotta get it mocked up on the wheelchair. See how we're gonna get it to stay on there. But otherwise, then we'll be ready to go. Stripes been painted. Paper's removed. Tape's removed. Not bad. Nothing a paint pen can't fix, I'm sure. I'm gonna outline it with black, so the little boo-boos I did do will be covered up. So gotta get the wheels done and the decals on, and then we're gonna do a back also. Jesse told me, but and then I should be done. Cut the windows out also. Looks pretty good. Progress on the car continues. Outlined the stripe tonight. Uncovered the wheels. Got the back end formed and put in, glued in. Gotta tape it up and paint it. Then it's logo time, windows cutting out time. And wheels, we gotta figure out if I'm gonna do stickers for the wheels or if I'm gonna try to paint them. That's it. Well, just about a finished product. Wheels on, number on, logos on, lights on. I think we might do a few more logos. Windows cut out.
I think that was solve my problem. Getting new straps.
Here. Oh, is it gonna be where the tire is? So the washer will just have to be there. Can you be where the circle is?
Black, and I can put where the circle is.
Sure.
Or white, or purple, or the hell you want. It doesn't matter. It could be blue. Who knows?
Yeah, I know.
I just thought I'd land the body, but it doesn't look like it.
Papa hooked us up with some racing stickers today. Daddy's working hard on getting it secured on the wheelchair. Got the steering wheel made, gonna put that in. Looking good.